one of the biggest untapped sectors in Canada is ag, and improving its efficiency is low-hanging fruit. Ag tech firm BinSentry helps streamline inventory for livestock producers. Ben Allen is CEO at BinSentry. Ben, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So let's start with how the technology works and what you're tapping into, the problem that you're solving.
So we put high-end optical sensors into feed bins and ingredient bins at large feed mills or grain facilities. And then we transfer those images up into the cloud so that producers and people working in logistics can work with that data in real time instead of guessing what's inside those big metal bins.
This feels like such a smart and sensible solution to a problem that's existed for a long time. Are there any other products like it out there that you're upgrading, or is this the first kind of technology to say, hey, let's make this easier on, we should note, not just the folks who are storing the grain, but also the people that have to refill it?
That's right. I mean, animal feed moves 24/7. It's 65% of the cost of raising animals and 90% of the planet eats meat. So there's a lot of animal feed moving around all the time. We are the best in the world at what we do, and we've led this technology. We're a category creator. It's a uniquely difficult problem that takes a lot of engineering expertise and the use of artificial intelligence to solve. So, we work really hard at solving a hard problem.
We talk a lot in this country lately, Ben, about the importance of ag tech, about the importance of ag as a growth opportunity for Canada. It feels like there's new support behind you. Has anything changed in your world in terms of the ability to take some of that support and grow?
Well, the Canadian ag market continues to grow and is doing very well. We continue to benefit from government support as well as the customers doing well. The ag markets are performing well, and that's always good. When the market's doing well, it's easier to play, and we're excited to be a part of it.
And of course, one potential is to create big export markets. Where do you export to? What's the potential growth for you in terms of global exposure?
So we export aggressively to the United States and the southern border. We also move into Brazil. We have a unique deal there with Cargill, a large global player, and we're just starting to look at global markets in Europe and Asia as well.
And how easy is it to get into those markets, especially, of course, Europe and Asia, which obviously we have trading relationships in many places, but are the doors opening for you?
The doors are opening, and there are support programs and groups that are there to help us, like EDC. We're excited about that support, and Canada has a great reputation for international trade, and, we're excited to be a beneficiary of that.
And in terms of the ability to grow in this market, where are you in terms of market share?
We've got a pretty healthy market share in Canada. We work with Canada Packers, Hylife Premium Pork, Wallenstein Feed, Trout Nutrition, Ritchie-Smith Feeds. Most of the big names in the country already are customers of ours, and we couldn't be happier about that. We're thrilled to support those customers.
And obviously, technology includes sort of smart technology, Internet of Things, but how might new AI ability change what you're doing in this industry?
Well, we're a native AI company, so the funds that funded us in 2020, we were their very first artificial intelligence check that they'd ever written. So it's deeply embedded in our DNA. 98% of our software code today is written by AI tools, and we actively use it in our feature sets as well to make forecasts and predictions and find data issues that humans just can't deal with. So AI is going to continue to reshape the technology landscape, and we are extremely aggressive about its application at BinSentry.
So good to have you for this, Ben. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Ben Allen is CEO at BinSentry.